All right, what's up, guys? Back at it today, working on the trailer again. Let me show you what we got going on. I'm gonna take this belt sander, I'm gonna sand all the edges, make everything nice and pretty. I got some nail hole filler and stuff. Even up everything, make everything nice and smooth. And then over here, I got some aluminum siding. It's already pre-colored for me. I don't know if it's the color I want, but there's two sheets right here. These come off of some sort of signs. My father-in-law had these at his work, so free score for me. Means I don't have to do any painting if I don't want to. I was going to do poor man's fiberglass on the side, but this is going to be a lot less work and a lot better, in my opinion. So let's get to sanding all that stuff off. All right, I got that piece set up there on the side, just kind of tacked in place temporarily. I'll have to take the trim router and route it off. It's gonna be pretty cool, I think. All right, made a complete mess here, but I got this on temporarily. It's just tacked on there, but I'm digging what I'm seeing here. This is gonna be sweet. Bring it, Garrett and Joe. I don't think you can handle this fire. All right, got the sides on. Working on the front here. Got my first bend made. All right, a little bit of an update here. Got the sides on, got the back on. I gotta finish attaching that to the bottom. Got the roof almost ready to go on. Need to trim that off on the side here. Get some fenders on there. And honestly, I still need to attach the trailer to the frame. It's still just floating there. But we're getting closer. Starting to come together. That's for sure. Inside. Looking good. All right, guys, here's the trailer as it sits right now. It's not done. I got a few things to do. All this aluminum angle still needs to be glued and screwed down. It's just kind of just tacked right now at the moment. Got the fenders installed. I've actually secured the pod to the trailer itself. Got a tongue jack on there now. But in my opinion, I think it looks freaking awesome. So, next video, I will probably have some interior stuff done on it. Not sure what I'm gonna do in there. Whatever I do on the inside is gonna have to be with scrap material that I can find, because I can't spend another dime on this. I'm officially done with my budget at this point. So, looking good. I am pre-wired for a couple exterior lights. Can't put them on because they don't actually fit in the budget. So that's another item for another video on another day. Pretty sure we're all gonna put out another video once we've added the upgrades to the trailer that we want to, once we can put some more money into these. All right, so that's it for this one. Next video you see will be the completion of this, and maybe we'll be revealing, maybe it'll be a three-way video revealing mine, Joe's, and Garrett's trailers all together at the same time. I'm not sure. There it is.